Hello guys, welcome to COVID MBA Trader के YouTube channel में. So guys, today we have took positions in Tech Mahindra as well as Tata Chemicals, and there was just a loss of 97 rupees. Okay, so the first trade that we took was on Tata Chemicals. Okay, so Tata Chemicals, we will open the chart of Tata Chemicals. So positions book Tata Chemicals chart. Okay, and going to the chart and showing you what was my particular setup of taking this particular trade. Okay, so in this particular trade, as you can see that as of today, seeing from here, this is the 915 candle of today. So if we are going to take the Fibonacci from the bottom till the top, so you can see that the 0.3.5 area is this. Okay, 0.3 to 0.5 area is this much. Okay, and what I have done, there was a little bit mistake from my side that on Tata Chemicals, there was a mistake of FOMO, fear of missing out, and at 111 I bought 200 quantities at 877 878.70. Okay, so at 111, so seeing at 111, okay, this one at this level particular I took the trade, and I took the trade at this particular green candle somewhat here. So what was my particular mind at that time, that was saying to buy. So we bought at 878.70. So 878.70 at 111. So 111 candle should be this green candle. Okay, so why I have taken this? So you see from here it is going in a trend, and this particular trend line was having a breakdown. ठीक है, यहाँ से नीचे से गिर गया. तो एज ऑफ टुडे आप देखोगे कि एक ये पर्टिकुलर ट्रायंगल काइंड ऑफ अ पैटर्न था ये, विद द सेम काइंड ऑफ सपोर्ट बन रहा था, और यहाँ पर जो हाइज था बार बार लोअर हाई था, बट विद अ गुड वॉल्यूम इट ब्रोक डाउन. ओके, so I took at the retracement over this area. And why I took because ये लेवल अगर तोड़ा है तो कहीं ना कहीं इस पे जाके सपोर्ट बनेगा. तो एक बड़ी विक थी. आफ्टर एक दो विक के बाद जब ये पर्टिकुलर कैंडल जो थी ये कंप्लीट नहीं हुई थी, बट इसने यहाँ तक का एक बार में इतना ग्रीन कैंडल का मोमेंटम दिया था. तो आई टुक विद द लॉजिक कि यहाँ पर हम ये एरिया अब सपोर्ट की तरह एक्ट कर सकता है, जो रेजिस्टेंस की तरह बना हुआ था. ये एरिया आप देख रहे हो, दिस वॉज रेजिस्टेंस काइंड ऑफ, ये गया और सपोर्ट. ठीक है, तो विद दिस साइकोलॉजी आई टुक द ट्रेड, और मेरा टारगेट था अराउंड 17 पॉइंट्स का. एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू डेट द रिस्क रिवॉर्ड रेशियो 1.1 आ रहा था अराउंड दिस लाइन. ठीक है ना. तो बट आई डिड एग्जिट एट 207 टाटा केमिकल्स को 875.48 पे. क्यों किया? द बेसिक थिंग और द मिस्टेक आई कैन सी इन माई सेल्फ वॉज दैट फोमो था. कहीं ना कहीं मेरे को 0.3 0.5 के एरिया के अराउंड पे लेना चाहिए था रादर देन दैट. एंड ऑल्सो कहीं ना कहीं ये विद दिस पर्टिकुलर बिग रेड कैंडल, अ बियरिश कैंडल, आई थॉट दैट इट इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू सरपास दिस लेवल, और ये भी काइंड ऑफ एक ट्रेंड बन रहा था. एंड उसके बाद मैंने यहाँ से एग्जिट डाउन कर दिया एट विद द लॉस ऑफ अराउंड 645 रुपीज़. ओके, सो दैट वॉज अ बुलशिट ट्रेड फॉर मी for Tata Chemicals. Okay, and talking about now Tech Mahindra, so we are going to close this. This was the mistake. I assumed here that support can be taken. Okay, so that was a mistake, because kahin na kahin if this particular trend is broken, so the buyers would be interested to buy at 0.3 and 0.5 rejection rather than buying at 0.2, because I didn't think so it was too much bullish as of now. And also what I did as a mistake was that if you see the RSI divergence from this point to this point to this point, you can see RSI was decreasing down. Okay, so at these particular 3 points you can see RSI is decreasing down, so it shows there is a relatively less strength. Okay, so that was the mistake, FOMO, and this RSI divergence we neglected it, and we booked the loss of 645 rupees. And talking about the Tech Mahindra right now, so at this particular point you can see that in the order books, like I closed my trade at 27, and at after automatically I was also tracking down the Tech Mahindra, and at 27 I took the trade of Tech Mahindra, and I got at the buying level of 1384. So 1384 would be around this. I'm going to delete all these red candles, red lines. Okay, you would not be too much of confused. So at this level you can see that this was the kind of a pattern that was forming. It is kind of a ascending triangle, I guess. Okay, so this was the pattern, and it did a breakout with a good volume, you can see here. And at 207 only, I bought this Tech Mahindra with this green candle, and after that it just came down. But I was also seeing down this trend line that was forming, and you can see it took the support here only. Okay, even resistance, it uh, did a breakout, then it did a retest, and then also it mounted up. So at this 1384 level, it was a buying level at 1384, and we exited at 1387.65. Okay, so at 1387.65. Okay, so why did I exited? I exited just because I mean, I closed the trade around 318. So you know that around 320 there is a automatic square off from the broker. So I booked around 550 something rupees, and if I could have waited like 1 minute also, I could have gained around 6 points. So I would have done a profitable day as of today. So this was the setup. This was a sensible trade for me, but in Tata Chemicals, I didn't think it was a good trade. It was a bullish trade for sure. I also saw that in Tata Chemicals, the on day basis, like this resistance was broken up. So kind of I thought that if it's going to retest, then the sellers would be interested at 873.25, and exactly at this level only you can see that when there was a big fall down around this 873.25 something here only, where there was a resistance area on day basis, it took the support. Okay, so now you can see, and it can be a very good bullish trade for tomorrow if it is going to uh, break out from this level of 886 something. Okay, so in Tech Mahindra it was a sensible trade to take out at breakout, but it retested and it did go up. And to be very honest, my like target I was trying to get it was around 1398 level, around 13 points, and for the same like 1.1 risk reward as I always take. So this trend line was also going to take support at every point of time, and it did the same thing. So eventually just holding on to this particular trade made me to just realize a loss of 97 rupees for today. So do learn from the mistakes in this Tata Chemicals. As I told you, what was my particular mistake was just FOMO. And Tech Mahindra, it was a sensible technical trade, and I did got 550 rupees, and there was a 97 loss, a net loss for today. So I hope you would have liked this video. Do comment, subscribe to this particular COVID MB Trader channel, and do provide the feedback in the comment section below. Thank you.